I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 273 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about why do some rooms have a big card scanner? About the chair's value package. Does it work on debarkation day? Drinks on Celebration Key. Do they count toward my daily 15? With the newer rewards program, my kids are under 18. How's that going to work? And I turned diamond on my last cruise, but I was cruising solo. Can I use my Steakhouse reservation on a different cruise?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know, why do some rooms have the much larger card reader on them? John said these are lower down and a little bit bigger, so they're accessible for people who are staying in ADA cabins. So you'll also notice that door is much wider, and they put the scanner down in case they are, in a scooter or in a wheelchair. It's lower down. They don't have to go and stick it in the door, tap and go. There you go. Question two. Hey, we know this one. It's Trisha Sets Sail. She asked, her and her mom splurged for the chair's value package, and they wanted to know if it works on debarkation day. They don't care about getting alcohol before they get off the ship, but they would like to know, will it work for coffee? John said, yes, you can use it to purchase coffee from the coffee shop before you debark the ship. So that's actually pretty cool. You gotta get that, that little bit of caffeine to get you that ride home or wake you up for that flight home. You can do it. Ta-da! Question three. This question has been asked several times in various places for an extended period of time. So they wanted to get clarification once and for all. And they asked, when you are on Celebration Key, do the drinks you purchase there, whether they're on your Sail and Sign card or credit card, do they count towards your 15 daily limit on the ship? John said, no, they do not. But whenever he gets this question, he asked everybody to please remember to drink responsibly. Just because you can exceed the 15 in a day doesn't mean you have to. And you don't want to be that person falling off the ship, if you will. So if you like to drink on Celebration Key, it's not going to affect your daily limit on the ship. Speaking of if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question four. This cruiser asked, wait, we know them too. The Cam Fam. They asked, under the new rewards program, kids under the age of 18 will take the status of the person they are sailing with. What if one of the adults is gold and the other one's platinum? Will it go based on who is the first person on the booking or by the highest status? He also asked if everyone will still receive the benefits of platinum as long as everyone is booked in the same room. John said it will go by whoever the person is that has paid and booked the cruise. He then answered the second question, but from what we know, as long as everybody's in the same room and one person is platinum or higher, you will get the priority embarkation. Ta-da! Last question. This cruiser turned diamond on their last cruise and got the letter for the free Steakhouse dinner for two. They were traveling solo at the time, so they didn't want to waste it and asked if they can use it on a future cruise, and they were told yes. They are traveling again soon and wanted to know how they can make the reservation in advance. John said congratulations on reaching diamond, and what you would have to do is on embarkation day, just go to the Steakhouse, show them the letter, and then you can make your reservation once you're on board. So you can't pre-book it with the Diamond Reward coupon. You have to do it while you're on the ship. That's been episode 273 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.